Hello all, hope you and your family are safe and sound. So now we will be seeing a function called ifs. So the main use of this function and the difference between if I'll just explain you. So the difference between if and this function is if will have one condition, one logical expression, and it will have a true and a false. But here what happens is in ifs there will be one condition and a true value. Then instead of the false condition we will give another condition and a true value, then another condition, true value, then like that we can go. At the end we will give a else function, that is a default function. That is how this ifs function works. So where multiple conditions are there. So in last time when we did if, we used this. You can see right here two conditions are there, one where a6 is equal to 1 and where a6 is equal to 0. We have used two conditions. Now the same logic, let's use it with some ifs. So logic is if 1 is 1 it is active, then if 0 it is non-active. So how we will write is if first condition is 1 active, then second condition is 1 if 0 non-active. So it is done. So you can see right, the length of the formula itself is now reduced. You can see right, using if we have used two times if, here one times itself if, and it is more simpler to see. And so same way I'm just copying this down, so get it non-active. Then here let me just change the condition to true and false. So if a it is false, it is non-active, a and n is. Now I copied the same formula below also. And now the formula you can see right, it is much simpler than using two ifs. Yeah, then some more accurate example of ifs is like we are having a score list of students and their scores, so we need to now do the grading. So in this condition, if we want to use if, means the normal if, then we need to write it 5 or 6 times the if condition, then only the formula will come, the formula we can able to achieve. But when we are using ifs, it is much easier. Ifs, then the first condition is greater than 90, then grade A. Second condition is greater than 80, then B. Third condition is greater than 70, then C. Fourth condition is greater than 60, then D. Then fifth condition is greater than or equal to 50, then E. Then the last condition is less than 50, then F. So let me just close it. So here the grading system was not given properly. C, D, E, F. Can see this F. So let me just copy paste it below. Can see only using one formula with multiple conditions we got the grading system. It goes like the first condition is 9. First condition, if B15 is 90, then A. If B15 is more than 80, then B. If B50 is more than 70, then C. So if first condition satisfied, then it will become A. Then the rest all condition will be nullified. Same way second condition satisfied, then it will become B. Then rest all condition will be nullified. Like that. So it is very similar to a switch function. Means finding what is the condition and giving that particular result. I hope you understood, and thank you for watching the video.